Our planet is a beautiful and diverse place, home to a variety of biomes, each with its unique characteristics. First, we have the tropical rainforest, a dense forest found near the equator, characterized by high rainfall and a vast diversity of plant life. Rainforests are often referred to as the lungs of the planet, as they play a crucial role in producing oxygen and regulating the Earth's climate. Next, the savanna biome is typified by grasslands with scattered trees and is commonly found in regions like Africa, South America, and Australia. Savannas experience a warm climate year-round, with distinct wet and dry seasons, and are important ecosystems for a multitude of species. The desert biome is characterized by little rainfall and extreme conditions of heat during the day and cold at night. The Sahara Desert is one of the most famous examples. Despite harsh conditions, deserts host specially adapted plants and microorganisms that can survive with minimal water. The taiga biome, or boreal forest, is the largest terrestrial biome, spanning across North America, Europe, and Asia. It is known for its cold climate and coniferous forests. In the taiga, winters are long and harsh, while summers are short, providing a brief period for the ecosystem to thrive and flourish. Lastly, the tundra biome, characterized by its freezing temperatures, low biodiversity, and permafrost-covered ground, stretches across the Arctic and Antarctic regions. Tundras play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate, storing vast amounts of carbon within its permafrost layers. Each biome is an integral part of our world, creating a delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Understanding and protecting these diverse environments is essential for our planet's future.